Okay, so you need to order an SV2000 TV DVD remote control like this one or something else. Well, we have it and we'll ship it today. Hi, I'm Carrie with electronicadventure.com, where we have over 300,000 remotes in our warehouse. So whether you need this SV2000 remote or something else, we will ship it today or next business day. And the great thing about our remote controls is that they're brand new. They're not used or refurbished, and they're not universal, which means there's no codes to program in. All you do is put the batteries in and you're ready to go. And when you shop with us, we want you to shop with confidence, so we offer a 30-day, no questions asked return policy. We also want to save you some money, so when you get to checkout and it asks for the coupon code, enter remote and the number 5 and we'll take $5 off your purchase. So again, you need to order an SV2000 remote control like this or something else. Well, we have it and we'll ship it today. Just click on the link below and order it. If you have any questions at all, please call and speak with one of our operators by dialing the 800 number that you see on the screen. Thanks for shopping with us at electronicadventure.com.